Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I am going to be revealing the teaser of Satwa located in Powai. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. Have a look at it. This project is bang on JVLR. Have a look at it. Right over here is JVLR road. This road leads you to Eastern Express Highway and this road leads you to Jogeshwari. In this video, we are going to be discussing the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you call once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, so this project is made on a land parcel of 3 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 7-level podium plus 28 story with configuration of 3 BHK and 3+3 Jodi option available. Talking about connectivity of this project is located near Gandhinagar petrol pump JVLR Powai, which is bang on JVLR road, as you can see behind me, with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 1 kilometer and Powai Lake at a distance of just 250 meters and Hiranandani at a distance of just 200 meters. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities which include swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, rooftop spaces and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has one configuration, that is 3 BHK ranging from 1000 to 1300 square feet and 3+3 Jodi option ranges from 2200 to 2400 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the exact complete project details. We'll also show you the actual flat and the sample flat. We'll help you with the payment and EMI schemes, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Satwa new launch project in Powai, bang on JVLR near Gandhinagar petrol pump. To get more information about this very amazing project, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing project, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.